The OutIn Nano portable electric espresso machine is a highly versatile travel companion designed for coffee enthusiasts who refuse to compromise on quality while on the move. Weighing approximately 670 grams, this compact device fits easily into backpacks or vehicle cup holders, making it a perfect car coffee maker for road trips, RV living, and office use. It features a powerful 20-bar pressure pump that ensures a rich, professional-grade crema and a smooth extraction comparable to full-sized countertop units. Equipped with advanced self-heating technology, the OutIn Nano portable electric espresso machine can heat 50 milliliters of cold water to the optimal brewing temperature of 92 degrees Celsius in just 200 seconds. The integrated 7500 mAh rechargeable battery supports up to 5 extractions from cold water or over 200 cups when using preheated water, providing exceptional endurance for hiking and camping expeditions. Charging is made simple and universal through its USB-C port, which is compatible with 12 volts or 24 volts car chargers and standard power banks for convenient power management anywhere. Functionality is at the core of the OutIn Nano portable electric espresso machine, which offers a unique 2-in-1 brewing system compatible with both ground coffee and NS capsules. Users can easily switch between the ground coffee filter basket and the capsule adapter to suit their preference, while the one-button operation simplifies the brewing process to a single click. Built with food-grade stainless steel and featuring a leak-proof, IPX6 rated design, this durable espresso maker is engineered to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures while delivering a consistent and clean caffeine fix. Pros: superb espresso shot quality, heats water quickly and consistently, impressive crema for portable use, easy to use and compact, durable and well-made construction, exceptional and fast customer service, proactive product replacement policy, heats cold water on battery, works with pods or grounds, powerful internal pump motor, simple cleanup with quick rinsing, high-grade, durable plastic materials, perfect for travel and camping, reliable for daily espresso use. Nano Basket Plus produces pro shots, convenient for hotel room use, stands behind their product warranty, quick 3-minute heating time, user-friendly one-button operation. Cons: small 6G portafilter is included, coffee can be thin and watery, device is relatively big and heavy, not for minimalist backpackers, battery is a wear component, no shot pressure control included. Basket has plastic components, heating water drains battery quickly, metal basket gets very hot, hard to make back-to-back shots. Features: portable electric espresso machine, self-heating functionality, USB-C charging support, compatible with ground coffee, compatible with NS capsules, ideal for camping and hiking. Suitable for car use. The OutIn Nano portable electric espresso machine is a highly versatile travel companion designed for coffee enthusiasts who refuse to compromise on quality while on the move. Weighing approximately 670 grams, this compact device fits easily into backpacks or vehicle cup holders, making it a perfect car coffee maker for road trips, RV living, and office use. It features a powerful 20-bar pressure pump that ensures a rich, professional-grade crema and a smooth extraction comparable to full-sized countertop units. The OutIn Nano portable electric espresso machine is a versatile and durable travel companion that delivers impressive shot quality and consistent crema using a powerful internal pump, with the convenience of self-heating cold water and compatibility with both pods and grounds. While it earns praise for its user-friendly one-button operation and exceptional customer support, the device is relatively bulky for minimalist travelers and faces limitations such as a small portafilter capacity and significant battery drain when heating water. Users may find it difficult to pull back-to-back shots due to heat and battery constraints. But its reliable construction and quick performance make it an excellent choice for camping, office, or hotel use for those who prioritize cafe-quality espresso on the go.